Hey my friends, welcome back to a new video. Today we have an Equinox portal and I want to remind you that everything will happen for you all of a sudden and you will be thankful you didn't give up until now. So today we have that Equinox autumn portal, which means that the day and night are in equilibrium and it is bringing us that beautiful balance between positive and negative energies. So whatever tension you may be holding on till now, it's a great time to release it. And until now we were talking a lot about releasing that heavy energy, releasing or letting go of what is not serving you anymore. And right now I want to remind you to pay attention to what's coming up. Because if you will cultivate today some quiet time to integrate the new energy that is present right now, you may experience some new ideas or new inspiration, new insights, greater clarity, or a certain closure may take place where you will just recognize that you are actually making a great progress and in front of you is a truly bright life. So pay attention to all the transformations that are taking place and to all the wonderful things that happened for you recently. Express some gratitude today and nurture that quietness as we were talking. Time for meditation is really important right now, to in tune with yourself, with Mother Gaia, with great cosmos, so we can in tune with life, to recognize what life is teaching you right now, what life is reminding you right now, and what could be the next steps in that future chapter that you could take. So my friends, all is well. I hope you're having a truly beautiful day today and that you're celebrating yourself. You know, as I mentioned, that as the day and night are in equilibrium, it is bringing us a truly strong, coherent energy, which can help us to manifest things faster. So also, as you can be more aligned right now with your soul, or that sensation or awareness of your soul, yourself, your true self, you can use this energetic alignment for manifesting your heartfelt desires. So as you're nurturing today some inner quietness, tapping deeper into yourself and just having fun in that joyful sensation of being with yourself, or if you're doing that with somebody, you know, meditating and chilling and being a bit slower today, enjoying that beautiful energy and set some beautiful intentions for the future chapter, like what you want to learn with ease, what you want to build with ease, what you want to create, what you want to achieve, what you want to manifest, what you want to experience with ease. Remind yourself that everything that is meant for you will come to you with ease and flow. You don't need to work hard for anything. You need to learn to work joyfully. So even when we are sometimes working hard, it doesn't feel like a hard work. It feels like we want to do that, like it's meant for us. So we stop focusing so much on pushing and forcing, but we rather find more flow in our lives, because the next chapter is all about greater flow. It's all about greater connection and greater alignment, because everything is moving on upward spiral, right? Which means that even when we are moving in cycles, we are always more aware and more conscious of ourselves, which means that we are constantly ascending. And sometimes we need to descend a little bit in order to ascend higher. And when we're descending, we are gaining lessons which are a bit unpleasant sometimes, a bit hard sometimes, and a bit stressful sometimes. But still, at some point, we need to learn to surrender the stress, to surrender the guilt, shame, worry, fear, anger, whatever we hold on, so we can see greater meaning in why those things happened. That maybe we did mistakes or we did something wrong, but we also learned something truly valuable. And those values are building us. That's where we are expanding the most. And that's where we recognize now we are ready to move forward. Now we are ready for new experiences. Now we are wiser. Now we are more intelligent. Now we are ready for those new, greater experiences to find us. And that's where the universe recognizes that you finally found the lessons. You finally got yourself to that point where you're ready, you're worthy. So my friends, remind yourself that you are worthy. Remind yourself that all is good, and remind yourself that it's okay to move through whatever you went through. It's all okay, because on the other side there's always more evolved version of yourself. Doesn't matter where you are right now. Maybe you're at the beginning of certain challenges and you need to chill out a little bit, or maybe you're just in between and you feel that the breakthrough is coming, or maybe you're already on the other side of that tunnel of changes and you just feel that things are manifesting and things are aligning and you're experiencing these beautiful synchronicities. Doesn't matter where you are, there will always be more things to learn, and there will always be something new which will sometimes surprise us a little bit. But more we know how to ground our roots into the core of being, easier it is to see the lessons, to see what life is offering to us. So the main reminder right now is to deepen your roots to the core of yourself and just pay attention to who you truly are. Pay attention to yourself, your heart, your intuition, and see what is coming up. See how you feel today. See what kind of energy you may be experiencing right now, and see if there's something coming up, like a certain insight, a certain inspiration, a certain idea which could teach you or tell you or remind you of what to focus on for the next chapter that is coming up. So my friends, take it easy, be gentle with yourself, and love yourself enough to move forward, to keep up, and to build greater trust into yourself. Because that's where we start walking that divine path. You know, when we know what we want to do, what we need to do, and we have that trust that everything is working for us, so we can work for everything, right? So we can be of service, so we can give, create, provide, nurture, and help, and do whatever we feel or whatever we feel attracted to, that we need to do, that we are able to gain that strength, that trust, that power, so we can initiate that path. So my friends, I'm wishing you all the best. I'm wishing you a beautiful celebration of this powerful day. And for the next chapter, my friends, I'm sending you lots of love, blessings, and power. I hope you've enjoyed in today's message. I hope you've enjoyed in today's painting. Thanks to all of you for supporting my art in my Etsy shop. I Draw My Passion. You're all truly appreciated. Till next time, one love.